What is the recursive formula of the sequence given by 6, 12, 30, 42, 56? Okay? Well, what we first have to do is plug in values and see if we can get the correct term out. So let's evaluate these terms and let's see if we can find a pattern here. 6 plus 6 is 12, but 12 plus 18 is 30, so you're not adding for a consistent term. It also appears we're not multiplying. 6 times 2 is 12, but 12 times not even a whole number is equal to 30. So there's no consistent pattern of multiplication or addition. That means the sequence is neither purely arithmetic nor geometric, which means we have to evaluate directly using the long way. So what we need to do is evaluate each answer choice for when n equals 1, n equals 2, and n equals 3, and then the ones that continue to match up with the sequence will be the ones that work. So what I think could be an efficient way to do this is to type in the sequences into our calculator and then do a table analysis. So y1, we can write x plus 2 times, oh actually no, that won't work. So we'll have to actually do this by hand. So let's look at A. Tn is equal to the current number plus 2 times the previous number term plus 1. So we'll have to evaluate this at 12 first. To evaluate this at 12, we can say that 12 is equal to 2, or because it's the second term, plus 2 times 6 plus 1. If this is true for A, if A is true, then this will be the case. Well, this is 12 equal to 2 plus 2 times 7, which is 14. So is 12 equal to 14? No, so we can eliminate answer choice A immediately. Let's look at B. Is 12 equal to 6 plus 1 times n plus 2, so that would be 2 plus 2. That's going to be equal to 7 times 4, which is equal to 28, which is not equal to 12. So we can eliminate answer choice B. For answer choice C, can we say 12 is equal to 2 times n minus, the previous term was 6, 6 plus 2 minus, it's the second term, 2 plus 2. So can we say that 12 is equal to 2 times 8, which is 16, minus 4? Is 12 equal to 16 minus 4? Yes, it is. So C is a potential option. Potential. And then let's look at D. Is 12 equal to Tn minus 1, 6 plus 2 times, it's a second term, plus 1. So that's equal to 6 plus 2 times 3, which is 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. So both C and D are still in the running for being correct answer choices after we've evaluated each term once. Now, let's evaluate for 30. So now we can evaluate C at 30. We evaluate 30. 30 is 30 equal to 2 times 12 plus 2 minus 30 is the third term minus 3 plus 2. Well, let's check. It's going to be equal to 12 plus 2 is 24. Or so 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 times 2 is 28. 28 minus 3 plus 2 is 28 minus 5, which is equal to 23. Well, 23 is not equal to 30. So that eliminates answer choice C. And because we've eliminated all answer choices, that leaves us with D. One thing to know about these multiple choice questions is that once we've originally determined from the sequence that it's neither arithmetic nor geometric, and that we have to solve this by hand, by plugging stuff in, because it's an NCFE question and hopefully smart people have looked the question over, that means that this is possible to solve by just plugging things in and analyzing. So, while it is slightly kind of time consuming, if you know the problem and know immediately how to start, you should be able to solve this within 3.5 minutes, which is about the average time you have per question on the NCFE. All right, thank you.